The Ask AI node is the ultimate superpower. Ask AI anything you need. Three things we'll cover: how to set up an Ask AI node and its parameters, how to connect it to previous nodes in our flow so we can make it useful, and some inspiration on what you can do with your new powers. Now, every Ask AI node has three parameters. First, the prompt, what you want the AI node to do. Now, we share product updates in bullet form on our changelog page, and I'd like the AI to take these bullet points and write a draft blog post that I can edit and publish. It's important here that we put in a clear request, a clear prompt for what we want the AI to do. Now I'm going to say write a blog post based on the most recent product updates at Gumloop. Next is context. We need to give the AI what those recent changes are so it can write the draft blog post. Context is where we give the AI everything it needs to fulfill the prompt, what we're asking it to do. For me, those are all of the bullet points from our most recent update. Finally, the model, the most confusing list of product names ever created in tech. Pick from various word soups like OpenAI's GPT-4o or Claude 3.5 Sonnet from Anthropic if you expect the task to require a lot of effort, or if the task is simpler and you want to spend less credits, pick the simpler, more lightweight model like Anthropic's Claude 3 Haiku. Good thing I wrote a script for this. Now if I click run, I get my blog post. The AI does what I want it to do. The magic, though, really comes when you connect information from your flow to the Ask AI node. Instead of copy-pasting all the bullets into the context every time, I can use the web scraping node to grab those updates for me. Then I can pass the output of this node, those bullet points, as context to our Ask AI node. Then I can take the response from the Ask AI node, the blog post it writes for me, and send it to a Google Doc that will serve as the draft to our blog post. Now if I click run, we get the latest product updates from our changelog page, send those over as context to the Ask AI node. That node writes the draft blog post, and then that draft is neatly sent to a Google Doc so I can get ready to edit and publish. Now there's so much more you can do with the Ask AI node. Let's go the other way. Give it a fully fledged blog post, and it could recommend how that blog post can be repurposed for social media posts. Pass in the last week's emails from a support inbox, and the Ask AI node can write you a report that recommends product improvements based on those recent tickets. That's just a few of the things you can do with the Ask AI node. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility.